Welcome back to another video, guys. So I took this buy trade on V10S index and they're moving in good profit. As you can see right here, they're moving in good profit. Here is moving nice level. So what's my market analysis on this index? How did I know the market is going to buy from this point? How did I predict the price at this level? Looking into all of that into this video. So firstly, as always, I'll start from the high time frame. I want to analyze the market. It can be the weekly time frame, it can be the monthly time frame, and it can be the daily time frame. But yeah, I started from the weekly time frame of this analysis. Right, so on the time frame of this index, I've did a couple of analyses on V10 index, V10S index, and I'm sure I've created the buys. I first got the sales from this level, which price sold to the downside, and there's a possibility of price still buying from this same level to the upside. So we're having a look on that in today's video. I'll be sharing with you guys my analysis on this index. I firstly identified the structures and zones on the weekly time frame. We got this level as a level of resistance and here as a level of support. You can see that we've got multiple market reactions on these levels. We've got the buys and sells on this identified level. Firstly, price bought from here as support, right? Secondly, it did again. It bought from here again as a support, bought from here again as a support, bought from here as a support, right? And the last buys we got at this level as support. So technically, we are still expecting the sales to this identified level for the proper buys on this index. But why did I now buy at this point? What made me buy this index at this level? Why didn't I wait for price to sell to this identified support level before I could take the price? So I'll be sharing to you guys my reasons of buying this index at this zone, regardless of price not coming to this identified level, this identified support level. And we have our resistance level at this point. We got first got the sales here. So resistance price got to that level, so to the downside. The first time, the second time here, and the third time at this point, which we are currently getting the sales to the downside before getting these little buys at this point. So after identifying the market structure on the weekly time frame, we had a level again, which I also identified an intermediate level, a key level would say, because we got multiple market reaction on this level. Price bought and sold on this level, right? Because you can see that we got price big below this level as resistance. We tested it, sells to the downside the first time, second time here, the third time at this point before price broke above it, gave the retest on it as a support, resistance broke and turned support, the buys to the upside, this little buys to the upside. So it's clearly seen that price both reacted on this level as a resistance and as a support. So this has been identified as a key level on the weekly time frame. So after spotting these levels and zones and the market structure, I went to the daily time frame next and so that we had a previous uptrend which price has broken out of. This is the market being in a previous uptrend, creating higher highs and higher lows. I also made sure I identified this structure, this market structure basically. I spotted the levels and zones on this uptrend, right? Because we got our trend support levels and our trend resistance levels, which I identified at this point. Because you can see our price bought when it got to this level as a support. Same thing here as a support, right? Same thing at this point too as a support. The same thing at this point as a support, and as a support. And because the sales here as a resistance, firstly, second time as a resistance. So these are our trend supports and these are our trend resistance, because you can see price buy and sell on the test of these levels. So we got our intermediate, would say our horizontal level of support and resistance in this uptrend. You can see that this is an uptrend basically, so we should focus mainly on the buy side of the market, because you can see price creates this higher highs and higher low structure. All we have to do is to watch out for level of support or level of resistance that got broken, then retested as a support for the price. So you can see that we got this level as a support level. Price created on this level, gave the price to the upside the first time, the second price here, the third price on this level. So there's a possibility of price still doing the same thing on the break of a resistance level turned support, which we got at this point. The resistance here was a break above this level, then we got the retest here firstly, then we got a proper retest at this point, which gave us the buys to the upside. So this is a clear identified key level we got at this level. So you can see price being on uptrend in this zone before there was a break of structure, before there was a break of this downtrend. Before this break of downtrend, we had price create this reversal pattern formation, which is a nice structure, right, which gave us the sales to downside, which initiated this sales to downside. This is a head and shoulders pattern. We got the left shoulder here firstly, We got the head at this point, right? And we got the right shoulder at this. So this is a nice reversal pattern formation, a bearish reversal pattern formation. So this reversal pattern formation we got at this identified level, this identified key level, signals the cells we got presently at this point. So before the daily time frame market structure identification, on the weekly time frame, a hard price create a bullish order block, which I always emphasize on, which I don't fail to identify whenever I'm having my market analysis. Whenever I'm analyzing the market, I don't fail to identify this level. So we got a bullish order block at this point. This is where the bullish order block is spotted at this zone. So I marked out this order block formation. I waited for a nice reversal pattern formation on this order block on a lower time frame. Right, I waited for price to give a nice reversal pattern formation on this order block, which we got basically at this point. It can be seen on the 1 hour time frame, right? But basically the 4 hour time frame, price gave this nice reversal pattern formation, which I was expecting price to give to confirm these buys on this index. So on this bullish order block identification, all I did was to go to the lower time frame, like the, remember we identified this bullish order block on the weekly time frame. So I went to the 4 hour time frame, which is the lower time frame, to spot a reversal pattern formation, which could indicate, or which would indicate the reversal on this index. So on the 4 hour time frame, we got price creates a double bottom formation, got the first lows at this point, right, which I identified, and we got the second lows at this zone, which I also identified. So this is a nice bullish reversal pattern formation, a nice reversal pattern formation. So this pattern formation kind of indicated that we're going to get a reversal on this bullish order block we identified on the weekly time frame, right? That reversal pattern formation gave the signal, give the buy idea on this index. So on this reversal pattern formation, we got the neckline at this point, because on every reversal pattern there's always a neckline. Always emphasize on this. On identifying any reversal pattern formation, make sure you spot the neckline of that reversal pattern formation, because the neckline can be used as your entry levels on any reversal pattern formation. So we got the neckline of this index here, right? So we got the neckline at this zone, which price has broken out of. So currently price is heading to the upside. So what was our expectations on this index, and how I was able to get my entry on this reversal pattern formation? Remember, this pattern formation was put on the 4 hour time frame, right? And we've seen price sell to the downside before now. We've seen price decline to the downside. So on price decline to the downside, we'll be getting days of bearish moves before price came to this level and started consolidating. This consolidation we had at this zone is like a bullish build up, which gave the buys we are seeing at this point. So I got my entry on a lower time frame, the 15-minute time frame. I saw that price has started creating this higher highs and higher lows formation, which is a bullish structure. So I spotted this structure on the 15-minute time frame. Remember, I've already gotten the reversal pattern formation, which is the number one confirmation, the number one confluence I need to take the buys on this index. And next thing we got is price creates this higher highs and higher lows formation. Let's spot the structure. We got the first lows here, got the first lows at this zone, and we got the second lows at this point. Then we got the highs here, the first highs here, and the second highs at this zone, which is a nice formation. So on this higher highs and higher lows formation, we got price created descending channel structure, also identified this descending channel, and I was like, if price can give a clear breakout of this descending channel formation, I'll be taking my buys on this index. So after spotting this descending channel formations or falling wedge are continuation patterns. They are bullish continuation patterns, or they are bullish reversal patterns. They can be used as reversal patterns as well, but they are mainly continuation patterns. So we got price created descending channel, then there was a breakout of this descending channel, right? So I took my buys on this breakout of this descending channel, on a break and close above the descending channel. I took my buys at this point, and you can see how well they're moving in profit. You can see I'm moving in good profits, how well the trade is moving. So that's how I was able to take the buy trade on this index. I placed this trade in it and left it to run up, and you can see how well they're moving on this index. So that is, guys, that's how I was able to take the buy trade on this index, working with market price action, identifying the market levels and zones on a higher time frame, and getting my entry levels on a lower time frame. So my first TP level on this index will definitely be at this point. So I'll be taking partials on the end of this video. I'll be closing out some positions, and I'll be moving my stop loss above my entry to secure the remaining positions, then let it run up to my other TP levels. This is my manual TP level basically. My second TP would be at this point, and my third TP would be at this level. So that's how I was able to take the buy trade on VT1S index, working in market price action, identifying the levels and zones on this index. So hit the like button for more trade review and market analysis like this, and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. To my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for those engaging my videos. Chilling me, so guys, let's do more. Do have a wonderful day.